Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Life Snippets. Today's video is all about mistakes that we must avoid for English section in banking exams. So this video is all about what I have analyzed through my preparation journey. So maybe this would be helpful for you too. So, the very first mistake that I am talking about is writing editorial vocabs. We should completely avoid this. As in my initial journey, I used to take editorial classes and simultaneously making proper fair notes of those editorial words, which I think proper waste of time because we don't have much time during our exam that हमें टाइम मिले कि हम इसे प्रॉपर पढ़ सके रिवाइज कर सके तो आई थिंक दिस शुड बी अवॉइडेड एज daily taking editorial classes is beneficial for retaining each and every word. So this should be avoided. Second mistake I'm talking about is vocabulary books. No doubt vocabulary books are very knowledgeable books. बहुत सारे words उसमें दिए रहते हैं. But from my point of view, we have not that much time कि हम book लेकर English में vocab याद कर सकें. Because this is not about ratification. It's all about retention. और retention कैसे होगी? Editorial classes से daily के 20-30 words भी अगर आप पढ़ रहे हो and वो repetition mode पे वो कुछ words होते हैं तो आई थिंक वोकैबलरी बुक शुड बी अवॉइडेड मैंने भी ये बुक परचेज किया बट मैं इसे पढ़ी नहीं क्योंकि मुझे लगा इसके अलावा मैं अगर मॉक टेस्ट दे दूंगी तो वो ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल रहेगा इसलिए वोकैबलरी बुक शुड बी अवॉइडेड टू Third mistake I'm talking about is English practice book. For your initial preparation journey, it's good to go through topic wise and solving topic wise question, but for long term, it's a big no. If you have command over English 50% also, you should start giving mocks, and through mocks, if you are getting less number, or I can say negative number also, you can still improve it by properly analyzing it and learning from the mistakes you have done in mock test. So I think books should be avoided for long term. So these are some common mistakes I am talking about which should be literally avoided, and for this time I am totally going to give only mocks and mocks for my English preparation and taking editorial classes. So if you like this video, follow and subscribe for more.